Most mornings, it's just coffee around here. When I want something filling and delicious, I make these amazing breakfast sandwiches using tofu and portabella mushrooms as sausage patties. A little bit of vegan cheese and some buttery, golden, crispy grilled English muffins. Delicious. Super quick to make, wicked filling, a little dirty, and satisfying. Definitely budget friendly. These treats are also great for meal prep. I'm going to enjoy one today, and I'll wrap another one up for later. I'm going to be taking Frankie to the river for a long walk soon, and I'll probably be heading out for a couple hours, so this will hit the spot. She's been bugging me to go swimming, so stay tuned for the end where you can see all that happening. If you haven't met Miss America yet, she's my beautiful black lab, the queen of the household here, and my best friend. Alright, for starters, I'm going to heat up a cast iron pan and cook the portabella mushrooms with a little bit of oil and sear both sides to draw out some of the moisture. Make them not so firm to work with. This will help get them prepped up to the point that the seasoning sticks a lot better. You can't really stick any seasonings to raw mushrooms. I like to grind and pound the spices. The reason why I'm grinding the spices is because there's so much more flavor that way, and I like using fennel seeds. After they're seared, I'm going to remove them from the pan, coat each mushroom with a little bit of olive oil and the seasonings, and let them marinate for a couple minutes. The longer I marinate them, the more flavor I can drive into them. Toss a little bit of butter into the cast iron and put down the tofu. All I did was slice it lengthwise. I could make more sandwiches out of one block of tofu by slicing thinner pieces, but I like to have big portions. I buttered the English muffins first, toast them on each side. This is how fast food breakfast joints do it, and this is what I remember eating growing up, and how I cooked them in restaurants. I'm using the nostalgic moments of my past to recreate a kick-ass plant-based version that is just as delicious, a little bit dirty, freaking amazing. Honestly, these are so freaking good. I like to batch cook these ahead of time and just package them up so I have them ready to go. Whenever I have guests over, this is what I'm usually making. They're so easy and everybody loves them. I've turned so many people onto this and I make them all the time. There's 3 simple things to remember to make these restaurant quality. Always butter and grill the English muffin. 2, season the tofu properly with either granulated onion or granulated garlic and black salt. Black salt is the key to making it taste eggy if you want that. 3, is season the mushrooms with whatever sausage flavored seasonings you enjoy. This just happens to be a little bit spicier, like a spicy breakfast sausage with the fennel seeds, chili flakes, and smoked paprika, just like I remember having. We can make all kinds of different flavors, and I think in the future I'll do a side by each flavor driver on how to turn whole mushrooms into a variety of sausage flavors out there. But that'll be for another episode. Since vegan cheese is such a pain in the ass to melt normally, I like to add that cover creates that steam and makes an amazing melt. One of the key takeaways out of all this cooking that I do is I try to share the techniques. Any influencer home cook type can show a recipe. They're a dime a dozen. What makes us different is the experience and chef craftsmanship, helping you build confidence by sharing these techniques that can elevate your cooking skills so that way you can adjust them the way you like with your favorite flavors and create amazing and delicious masterpieces with just a little practice that you can be proud of and your families will swoon over. And there you have it, bangin' breakfast sandwich, or BAP as they call them over here. I like putting hot sriracha on mine. I just tend to like everything spicy. But I'm going to enjoy this with my coffee and then take Frankie on her walk. The gorgeous girl that she is. Her birthday's coming up this weekend. We'll see what I can come up with her. Anyways, you guys, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for following. Thanks for subscribing, whatever you're doing over there. Have a great weekend. Have a great week wherever you are. Take care. We'll see you soon.